Do you enjoy stressing out and waiting until the last minute to do everything? Are you leaving for a trip in a couple of days? Well, then this is the right video for you. Today I'm going to show you my list of things that I have to get done tomorrow because I procrastinated and I waited until the very last minute. So let's get into it. Hello again, people of the internet, and cheers. If this is your first time joining me, first of all, thanks. My name is Angie and this is my travel vlog. I leave in less than 2 days to go to Peru. It's finally here and I'm so excited. I can't wait. Today I'm going to hopefully remind you of a few things that you need to think about before you leave to go on your next adventure. Let's get into it. Number 1, and probably the most important of the 3. Call your bank and let them know where you are going and how long you're going to be away. Because if you don't and you get to the place that you want to be in and then you try to swipe your card for something and it doesn't work, you're going to be pissed off. Last month when I went to New Orleans, I forgot to call my bank and I ended up having to call them in the middle of a casino because I couldn't pull any money out. It's really uncomfortable giving them all of your information, especially when you know you don't have any privacy. So make sure you take care of that before you go. Tip number 2. Don't forget to call your cell phone company and let them know where you're going as well. Luckily, with T-Mobile, I don't really have to worry about very much. It works in most other countries without me having to pay very much extra. And texting is free, which I love because I can always stay in contact with all of my friends. Get in touch with your cell phone provider and see what kind of things they offer for international travel. If nothing else, you can wait until you have Wi-Fi to be able to connect and reach out to people, but I don't like having that option because what if something happens and there's an emergency and you want somebody to know what's happening with you? And número 3. Make a list, make a list, make a list. Make a list for everything you can even think of. I will literally be in the middle of doing something and think about something and stop and put it on my list so that I don't forget about it later. For instance, I have had a to-buy list. Here's all the different things on there. I also have a to-do list. Most people probably don't need to be reminded to do these kinds of things, but when I'm crunched for time, I do. So there you have it. Make a list and then get everything on it done. Tomorrow, I am going to pack bright and early so that I can show you guys what I actually bring with me on my trips. Unlike on my last packing video where I only packed clothes and not much else. But I think I finally got it together. At least I hope I do because I'm leaving like soon. So also, I am not going to be able to post a video while I am in Peru. I don't have my own laptop and my brother won't let me bring his with me, which is totally understandable, but still makes me sad. So I will not be able to edit videos, which I'm actually kind of happy about because then I'll actually be able to enjoy the moment a little bit more. But I will have tons of stuff for you guys when I get back. So I can't wait. If you do want to see what I'm doing day by day, follow me on my Snapchat. I post a lot on that. I'll leave my username in the description below. Anyways, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Baby with me. If you enjoyed this video and have the desire to see more, be sure to hit subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my other social medias. I hope to see y'all next Wednesday. Toodaloo, motherfucker.